Hello, everybody. We are actually in an urgent need, a contribution for a fund through the site Metennkoste for us, Isabelle, Chowree, and myself, to be able to go and represent Mauritius on an international level through the Afrik Urbanarts Festival 2022 in Abidjan. Times have been very hard for dance activity. We have not been able to dance on stage, to work professionally. It has been very, very hard. We have been all in a sort of freeze position, freeze situation. So this opportunity with post-COVID is another chance for us, a new hope, so that we can start back professionally and on professional level in Abidjan to bring our latest dance creation response there. So we trust in your generosity, and we would like to thank the site Metennkoste. Thank you to people in Mauritius to keep on trusting in us and to accompany us. So thank you for your contribution. Bye-bye.